This is currently the situation here. It's been snowing since yesterday. As you can see, everybody's cars is covered. On the highway, the cars are moving very slow. Barely anybody is on the road right now. Barely anybody's on the road. It's dangerous. It's real dangerous. Everybody's getting covered up. Everybody's stuck. My cars, both of them. There's one there, and there's one there. Both of them. My both cars are covered. Oh my God.